because it increases the amount of time that you have your skills up. The problem is there's not
Ilang
much
minutes na, ilang seconds na sa'yo, son?
this because Serenity
45.
will cover
Gago, patay! Lancelot Kyrie! I-times 2 mo, son. Delay ka.
will be good
Delay ako.
against Serenity,
Oo.
especially the gold one. I don't have the gold one yet, but I have the purple one and
Gogi, disaster, AE.
O, di ba?
so with
Wala tol,
that,
pag,
this is
pag
pretty good.
brawl kasi dyan, pre.
Disaster yung early.
Great, so there you go. So it's gonna be 100%. And if you know how to
Gago, patay na naman si Hijom eh. Visit na Hijom ito ah.
would probably be what?
May iba ko na to.
Class, let me know. I don't know, 17.2% of your max HP up to 10 stacks, so 170% bonus.
Yan, semi ano lang.
100% by your skill
Kumuha pa
damage.
sila ng Granger. Wala, dadasan naman lang
One,
yan.
I'm thinking that HP times skill damage equal value is better. It's fine.
Kala ko ba malakas na AE Pops? Malakas na yan talaga, legit. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano nangyari dyan.
This stack is so easy to
Oo.
get.
Wala
Na
na.
ano lang pala yung Onyx ng game mo, nagulat lang, no? Uy, pinetrify.
Let's just do it. For white,
Kaya ba?
what demon would you think is the
Gagi. Oh, wala kayong anti-heal, tol. Ayun,
Wala kay Glow Mines.
So you put the
Patay si Kibulo
what
yun.
increases the damage of the
XX sa row.
What's really important is
GG, tol.
Na-full plate pa yung medyo basag pa.
tremor. Combo duration, so it's easier to get the SRAM combo.
Wala kasing ano, wala pa kayong
78%.
puso.
Yung Mines tol.
With all the golden demon wedges,
Nako,
I will update you
RP.
guys on what exactly you want to put. But this is
Gagi.
the bare bones of it. This is the framework that you're gonna want to
Pinagbabaril yung mukha, pinaisa lang.
Sakit na sa tweet. Sabi sa inyo, double fighter na lang yun eh. Yun naman yung kalakala kasi double fighter.
Uy, Alice!
Ay, grabe. 3-man loot eh.
Grabe, Lutpi. Lutpi, lumupit no, lumupit.
Si Lotpi tol.
Grabe na, nawala, kala ko haya na ni Yazuki. Parang ano na, disaster sila sa early na, tol. Early pa lang, wala na. Talo na kasi, tapos ano pa eh.
Alter?
Ay, nota mo, 9 minutes oh, binubugbog. Tapos, waiting time, 30 minutes.
Oo, ay ayaw boss sa Yasuki.
Wala, hindi, naka-early.
Si Yasuke. Uy, nadal
Naku! RP. Ang kunat naman ni Kyrie. GG.
Alam mo, tumot.
Gagi, wala na. Ano na to, 4-1 na to next game.
Match point.
Tilted na ata, son eh.
because, well, if you do that, you're just gonna kill the game for yourself faster. Okay? Anyway,
Hindi na madedep to. Son, tilted na, no?
now this one doesn't really matter
Tagal na kasi ng break.
because
Ayun, no?
Kyrie, ginawa ng base oh. Oo, PP
you know,
naman na
there
yan.
was one way parts of when her deep have been adjusted.
Wala.
Tatay Yasuki.
Walang papagagay ko dito tol. Easy lang, easy lang.
Uy, dep lang. Kaya pa yan. Aray, sakit ni Kyrie.
Ay, nai-regen ng Alice oh, yung minion. Ako.
Boom.
Uy.
Yan, sige.
Bro, 2, 3. Ayun na, may burst. Kaya naman eh.
Kaya pala, comeback, comeback.
Di gumana yung kakali. Oo, sa first game lang na Skylar dito kalating buhay niya niya. Ganda ng angulo. Ganda ng angulo niya sa scanner in the picture. Wala na. Pinirmahan na. Ayun, nakitang kita.